कुठ्ठाळे जावपी नव्या पुला खातीर कितल्याशाच झाडांची कापणी केल्ली आसा म्हूण हे सैमीक संतुलन सांबाळपाक बुधवारात थळाव्या आमदारान रोंपे वांटले.
Definitely, first we cannot do anything, any plantation right now. Let the entire project be completed, and then we know which are the boundaries and where we can plant the trees. Definitely, this is a project that has to be taken up and will be definitely taken up. We will see to it that we will call the people of the entire village on a specific day, maybe a year or 2 years later probably. Okay, 2 years later probably, and see that massive tree plantation is done in the area.
तशेंच कुठ्ठाळेच्या म्हत्वाच्या दर्यावेळेंचेर मुळाव्यो शौचालय सारकिल्ल्यो सुविधा दिवपाक यत्नशील आसतली म्हूण ह्या वेळार कुठ्ठाळेची आमदार एलिना सल्ढाना उलयल्या. RDX खातीर कुठ्ठाळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
We have placed a proposal with reference to Valsaun Beach. First and foremost, we want to provide lights along the road leading to the beach, then beautify the road, provide changing rooms for gents and ladies, and also we are doing the circle, the beach circle. Now the beach circle is on, but the project, as far as the road is concerned, it is still hanging because the land belongs to a private owner, and we need the NOC from the landowner to go ahead with the project. So hopefully we are planning to see that the owner somehow gives in and gives us the land. Similarly, I want to make sure that all the popular beaches of Cortalim constituency have the main facility, that is changing rooms, changing rooms and a bathroom cum toilet facility. Because see, tourists, especially the foreigners, they come to swim in our waters. Now if they want to swim, they need to change in the beachwear, and they need a space to change. So these rooms are very, very essential, given the fact that Goa is a touristic state. So definitely we will be pursuing these small projects, but yes, definitely we'll pursue them.